Hello TikTok creators. Want to create stunning AI-powered videos for TikTok without spending a penny? Today I'll show you how to use Canva and its AI-driven video editing tools to craft engaging TikTok videos in minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign up or log into Canva. Visit canva.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Canva is a versatile platform that now includes video editing capabilities alongside its design features. Step 2. Select a TikTok video template. Once inside Canva, search for TikTok video in the template search bar. Pick a template that fits your content style. There are many free options to choose from. This gives your video a professional look without extra effort. Step 3. Upload your content. Click the Uploads button to upload your photos, clips, or media you want to include. Drag and drop them onto the template. If you don't have content ready, Canva provides free stock videos and images that you can integrate seamlessly. Step 4. Use AI text-to-video tools. Canva's AI makes video creation even easier. Use the Magic Write feature to generate captions, headlines, or text overlays for your video. The AI will suggest catchy phrases to make your TikTok stand out. Step 5. Export and upload. Click Download and save your video in MP4 format. Open TikTok, upload your creation, and get ready to go viral. With Canva's AI-powered video tools, you can create TikTok videos that are eye-catching, professional, and completely free. Give it a try today and watch your TikTok game soar. Thanks for watching.